of that time. What me and my people can say, na Aswe Iwodalo.
Back to the story yesterday, 11:30 p.m. now they call us, distress call. They don't beat many people, yeah. Kabaka, no more less. Able Stone, they're here. They tell us, make we come try, make we come try them. Then we tell them, say, come. Not be so they do, if not by violence, Able Stone, your first daughter don't marry. Just last 2 months here. You're a proud father, you are not an in-law. You must behave responsibly. Me, I'm a proud father. So let us behave responsibly. Before you know it, they say make governor no enter inside. I will say, waiting. Governor is the chief executive officer and the chief security officer of the Pro-Wike of Edo State. Governor must be there. Later, they can't let governor enter. Governor can't enter. When governor enter, because they say governor there, they can't complain, say they don't fit do what they want to again. No. The state rec now supervise this thing. I no go fear talk am. He dey there. He dey don't know the result. When they see governor, they can say, maybe we adjust, so we no fit do wetin we go want do because governor dey here. They come begin send their people. Make they come protest here, say make governor come out. Now they able to take come. Now they Bakabaka take come. They come here yesterday with 120 boys. Myself, the teaching is Okpebholo. Osaka Sifo. But boy, you are chief of staff. We were all here. We tell them say na lie. We are not going to enter this place. So. Later, when they say that one no work, then they come and say, okay, fine. Make they begin they call the result like that. As I'm talking to you, 2 local governments are still remaining to be collected. The other ones, where did they collect them? Who be the AGA returning officer? Where collect that result? Make they come show us. No AGA returning officer do that one. This is inconsistent with the electoral laws and the electoral act as amended 2022. What we are saying is that we must follow the electoral process. We are electoral abiding citizens. We must follow the electoral process, which is election result must be collected from the unit which was transmitted to RF. So what? Everybody go word, go collect the result. They go say, oh, now I agree say this result correct. All the party go say they agree. Then the next thing, AGA, what you don't receive? All the words where they now agree, they'll say yes. They'll say, okay, let us move to all states. States not the meet until all AGA don't collect finish. But yesterday, when they meet here, even one AGA never collect finish. Who are we deceiving? That is why we are here. It is peaceful now. But I can tell you, when there is agitation like this, what government, that's federal government now, that is supervising this illegality, is supposed to do is to quench it and say, my people, make una no offense, make we go back to the polling units. What we are demanding, let me tell you, this result, we will count it again.
Yes, it must count.
This result, we will count it again. The people's vote must count. The people's vote must count. If not, they win. We go congratulate them.
In a rightful way, they win.
If they win in a rightful way, we will congratulate them.
Us as a people.
Yes.
As a day so I go bless, I read you. My name is Okeke. Now, so I talk this felicity and this innocence belongs to all of us all. My papa no make mistake. Make you pay my school fees. My papa is not in job. My father is not in job to pay my school fees as a farmer. He just do cassava farm. He pay my school fees. I will not allow anybody that is not erudite, that is not educated enough, that is not anybody to leave me. And
what we are here for is that let our vote count.
May the see as I be. As I stand here,
Una get children. Una get security forces. Well, I know say una get difficult situation now. Other from above. You know, waiting the